Just like Macy's, it's a one-day sale on Tuesday. We're slashing humidity for the day. However, humidity comes back as we go into Wednesday and beyond. And we are talking about some thunderstorms too. Tired of water in your basement or crawl space? Trust Finally Dry Waterproofing's family owned company to fix it right. They install permanent drainage solutions guaranteed for 2 ownerships with no year limit. Get your free inspection today at www.finallydrywaterproofing.net or call 856-491-2228. Hey everyone, it's meteorologist Joe Martucci here. Let's take a look at the muggy meter because it was super swampy on our Monday. Dew points in the sweltering mid 70s. We're going to get back there later this week, but look at Tuesday, a one-day reprieve. Dew points are just around 50 degrees, which is borderline refreshing. Definitely feels more refreshing compared to yesterday, and that's thanks to winds out of the northeast. Now, Monday brought a lot of rain. I think most of us know that. And, typical for summertime weather, it wasn't everywhere, but we did see a number of spots that got over 4 inches of rain. Estelle Manor and Mays Landing did, and some other places throughout the Jersey Shore counties as well. We did see even in Ocean County a few spots get over an inch as we saw 2 rounds of rain, one Monday morning and then another one sometime early Monday afternoon into the later afternoon. For our Tuesday note, no rain to speak of. Winds out of the east northeast, temperatures very seasonable for this time of the year. Good amount of sunshine all around and a low risk for rip currents. Going into Tuesday night, there can be a sprinkle or a shower after midnight, but I think most of us are going to be rain free. Humidity comes back though, especially overnight. Low temperatures will be in the upper 60s inland, low 70s at the beaches. And hey, how about National Night Out? Keep in mind that is tonight here. So a great family engaging event here. I've been to Middle Township's National Night Out several times here, and it will be very comfortable. Temperature 75 to 80 degrees, but going up the coast to Brigantine and then up to Tin Falls, all of this looking really nice for National Night Out. So if you want something to do with the kids, great thing to do for Tuesday. Now, as we go into Wednesday and beyond, here's what's going on. We got a Bermuda high setup, and that brings the three H's: hazy, hot, and humid. In this case, it's really going to be more humid than hazy and hot, but sure, temperatures will be above average as we go through this time as well. And there will be thunderstorms, but I do think the coast stays mostly dry here as those cooling sea breezes help to stabilize things. Here's a look at our future cast. We're going to take you day by day here. You see Wednesday, good amount of rain coming around the area here. There will be the risk for flooding rain as well. And even on Thursday, there could be severe weather, particularly for places further inland where I do believe this rain would be. Now, as we go into Friday, it's more of the same. And this is kind of the consistent weather we get with that Bermuda high setup. Until that Bermuda high doesn't become a Bermuda high anymore, we see these rounds of showers and thunderstorms, and they can be heavy at times, bringing flooding rain. Now, in terms of temperatures, from the 9th to the 13th, and that starts this weekend, we are expected to be above average. So, what is above average? Well, that means temperatures that would be maybe 90 degrees inland and 84, 85 at the beaches. And you see some 90s as we go into this weekend. Friday at 90 degrees, and at the end of the weekend, Monday's also at 92 here. None of these days are going to be a washout. Wednesday's probably the wettest day of all this, but I still think 80% of your daytime hours will be dry. But when it rains, it could quite literally pour, and that's why we have the threat for flooding rain throughout this time as well. Good news for the beaches. I do think Thursday and Friday are rain free. I might be a little out on a limb there, but I'm going to say it. Thursday and Friday are dry for you at the beaches, so enjoy that. Again, it will be muggy, but at least it'll be rain free for those 2 days.